Well, that didn't last too long. Was working on the Mk2 Supra and all of a sudden it started fucking raining. Lovely. Well, now I just gotta wait it out. Ooh, rain. This is bullshit! What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Panda Express Project channel. Today, we're all gonna take a look at my Mk2 Supra and finally get that stupid sprocket out. I already took the sprocket out and I cleaned it up a little bit. So this is the sprocket that was for the timing, and if you can see the inside, yeah, it's hard to tell from the camera, but right here we're sheared. That's how bad it is. So, and now I need a sprocket. So, and the suck part is this is actually hard to find. There's no more new ones here, so I'm gonna look online and see if I can find it. I ordered the parts number for this, but hopefully it's the same one. If not, well, I'm pretty sure someone online will sell me one of these used in good condition, hopefully. Now, another issue I have with this car is the transmission. Not transmission. What the fuck? Issue I have is the crankshaft. If you can't see, but sort of, maybe. Okay. If you see that weird little weld right there, that's the Woodruff key that I need to remove. It is fucking gone. Like, it's bad. Hopefully I can actually take that out and save this, oh crap.
It is 6:30.
See, anyway, you see that weld right there? Yeah, that's bad. So, I want to see if I can try to remove it, but if you can see how far that goes in there pretty deep, and most likely this engine is shot. We don't know that until I actually take that Woodruff key out or try to get it out. If it does come out, then I'm lucked out. Conclusion. Hopefully that crankshaft part is still salvageable. Sprocket definitely dead. You can see how badly it's sheared there, and then of course the Woodruff key is also gone on the crankshaft, but hopefully I can take that off and it's still salvageable. I already ordered a new Woodruff key because I already knew it was going to be bad, but I'm going to try to sooner or later get into more shit. If that Woodruff key does come off, hopefully, if I can get that Woodruff key off the crankshaft, I can probably put a new one in there and a new sprocket. I can probably get this engine running. But most likely, if it's pretty bad, this engine is no good because of the crankshaft. And then I'm now gonna look for either an alternative engine or send this engine out or repair it myself. But we haven't figured that part out yet. So I'm gonna end it today. I'm actually a little tired now. It's hot and humid. There's really nothing more I can do with it, so I'm gonna end it today. So maybe later down the road we'll figure out what to do with this. So if you like this little video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more what I'm planning to do with this car, please hit the subscribes for more videos in the future. Peace out.